Experiencing frequent internet disconnections with your Spectrum modem? It's often due to line noise or suboptimal signal levels. Start by checking your modem's signal levels through its IP address interface, usually 192.168.100.1. Aim for downstream levels between -15 and +15 dBmV and upstream levels between +35 and 55 dBmV. If your levels are outside these ranges or your SNR signal-to-noise ratio is below 20 dB, line noise is likely the culprit. Reboot your modem first. Then, inspect all coaxial cable connections for looseness or corrosion. Consider replacing old or damaged cables, especially after storm seasons, which often exacerbate line damage. Also, ensure your modem is positioned away from potential sources of electromagnetic interference, EMI, like microwaves or power cords. Use Spectrum's app for real-time signal monitoring. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your modem disconnections, advanced fixes can help. A signal amplifier can boost weak signals, but use it carefully to avoid over-amplification. For internal interference, try a Wi-Fi extender with noise cancellation features. These devices can extend your network while reducing signal degradation. In urban high-rises, shielded cables can protect against electromagnetic interference from elevators and HVAC systems. These cables have extra shielding to block external noise. If signal levels remain outside optimal ranges or you suspect systemic line noise affecting multiple neighbors, contact Spectrum support. Be ready to provide your signal level readings. A technician visit may be needed to adjust signal levels at the street box or replace damaged infrastructure. Check the Spectrum outage map to see if your area is affected. Inquire about DOCSIS 4.0 upgrades, which offer improved noise handling and higher speeds up to 10 Gbps in select areas. Technician wait times typically range from 3 to 5 days.